finance branch. Now, under support branch, there are 3 units. One is the resource provisioning unit, which we have already discussed yesterday. Then we have the facilities unit, we will be discussing today. Now, facilities unit, as the name suggests, provides for the facilities, incident facilities, to the responders. I think you might have seen yesterday what are the incident facilities that we need for the IRT. We need the staging area, we need the incident base, we need ICP, we need the camp, we need camps and so on. So the main job of the incident facilities unit leader will be to provide for the facilities to the responders